American sprinter Shacarri Richardson finishes fourth in 100-meter season debut. This was after she had pulled out of many events leading up to this one. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So American sprinter Shacarri Richardson opened her 2022 season with a fourth place finish in Heat 5 of the women's 100 meter at the Duval County Challenge in Jacksonville, Florida yesterday. Jackson clocked a time of 11.37 seconds to put her behind fellow American Aaliyah Hobbs 11.22 and Brittany Brown 11.30 and Tanisha Terry 11.34. Richardson had withdrawn from several events this year before making her season debut yesterday. The 22-year-old is aiming to compete at her first major international event after missing last year's Olympic Games following marijuana ban. Shacarri continued to be the center of focus after it was recently revealed that she was actually dating a Jamaican and the relationship went sour, then it spilled over onto social media. In the interim, Shacarri Richardson took to her social media, which in fact confirmed the relationship. I was in a relationship with a Jamaican athlete that never cared about me from jump. I was abused and stole from, yet protected her from the judgment of her country and family while they dragged me. I had to deal with homophobic and also much more that I'm still healing from. That was a post made on her Instagram account. So in the interim as well, the female sought to clear the air about the whole entire relationship and what went down. This was what she had to say in a social media post as well.
Wake up and let I run wrong like some man energy for use that thing. You have your light now, one go use it. Never see how far it bring you. Stop draw down for a man up that thing. I'm too no. Not gonna free this bitch. Pay me for my thing if you're gonna take it, no? Pay me for my thing if you're gonna take it. Give me a little portion. I don't want to take every black man for dead. What I mean, eh? I fear no man, me say. Come with it. Make we see who strong guy in this. If you didn't use that much energy for your self, you don't clock is something. But you just run on like a chicken head people see there's nothing. Me not have to talk. When you talk too much, in talking, I probably get away with something. Probably. And everybody will run like a chicken bread with you, so them are going you. And this kind of this shit don't take my bumbo clock kindness for weakness. Stop take people kindness for weakness. We not soft. We just feel sorry for no. I'm too no. Feel like I try to focus on them self. I want to go on. I want free of this bitch. I want to feel myself. And yeah, but I'm too man. No free and this and the take what that belong to you. I don't know. And laugh up in a man's face. I'm flat of a laugh. Laugh when you're behind the bum. I don't give a f. Know that. Take my bum serious. Laugh your one laugh. You start. Slow down. I come out steady in this bitch. So the race is not for the. So, make it make sense. I mean, are you? My ancestors them say it's not going to be me. It's not. I have a purpose to fulfill. I have some truth to talk. When you can't lock it off. And I don't give a so people them who understand me and say, take the message and go. You don't know.
So that was the voice of the female that was stated to have had a relationship with Shacarri Richardson that spilled over into social media in a bitter video that was posted, and I can tell you that video was laced with expletive that I had to edit a number of sections of it for it to be playable on my platform. So Shacarri Richardson then went on to place first in the actual race, as she placed fourth in the heats as well, and I can tell you that she delivered a stellar performance at that event. As you know, there have been numerous speculation and surrounding Shacarri since the Olympics as well, and there have just been so much backlash coming also from the Jamaican race as well that she pulled out of, and there's so much things that has been going on around her and her athletic career as well. But we're going to continue to track this story and provide you more information to comment this. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.